Hi, me, Erica. Okay, all I do is set fire to the ring. I don't know her name, so I'm just gonna do it. Yep, whatever. I found my heart, and as it fell, you also claimed it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to raise what you pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When with you, I could stay there, close my eyes to you. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true on the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Set fire to rain, and I threw us into your face. When we felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. So sometimes I wake up on the floor. That you God must be waiting for us. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. My set fire to rain, and I threw us into the flames. When you felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Okay, I'm done.